What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we got another repair going on right now. It's a Samsung Galaxy S9 screen replacement. So right now we're just taking the back cover off. Heating the phone up really helps. We are using alcohol to loosen the adhesive around the edges. Remove the back cover now. We are removing all the screws from the back of the phone. Remove the plates. Remove the speaker. Disconnect the battery and the screen. Put the phone on the heating pad. Heat it up so the screen comes out more easily. Using this tool to separate the screen from the phone. Once again, we're using alcohol to loosen the adhesive under the screen and around the edges. Move the earpiece mesh and apply it to the new screen. Clean the frame all around. Make sure you get all the debris out of the frame before installing the new screen. Time to get a new screen. Remove all the plastic on the back of this new screen. So we're gonna go ahead and apply some adhesive just around the edges so the new screen sticks to the frame. Stick the ripping cable through the hole in the frame to connect the new screen to the motherboard. Put the earpiece mesh on the new screen, and then line up the screen to the frame. Connect the screen to the motherboard. And then you connect the battery to the phone. Put the loudspeaker back in and the wireless charger to the phone. Screw all the back screws back in the phone. Test the screen if it's working. Clean up the back glass a little bit, apply adhesive to the back, and put the back glass in the phone and you are good. Please like the video if this has helped you, or subscribe to our channels for more videos. Thank you, bye.